Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to delete all messages and conversations in Facebook Messenger. First step is open Facebook Messenger. Then locate the message to delete. Touch and hold on the message to open the content menu. Tap more and tap delete and go back and confirmation remove for you. Then remove and go back, then touch and hold the conversation you want to delete and tap delete and confirm, tap delete. Smartphone version of a Facebook Messenger app allows you to delete only one message thread at a time. If you are looking to delete more, it may best to use a browser.
There is also a problem with this video, so ask about these comments. Any problem related to social media and internet, let them know in the comments bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press icon for any updates and notifications. Thanks for watching.